Yo, Sonny! What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Quick video. If you ever have a issue with your window, you can see here, fell off the track. This is a manual crank, so I'm going to show you how we take this door panel off. 2005 Civic, and we replace the manual crank regulator. All right, and yes, we ordered a Honda genuine part, not one of those cheap Amazon parts. They don't last. We have the crank here. You can see it's a manual, it doesn't have a motor on it. So let's get to it. There's a few spots where you have to get to the screws to take this panel off. One location is behind the handle here. You're going to take a screwdriver, you're going to pop this little door out. There's a couple of screws in here. You also got a little point here in the handle. You're going to flip this open to get the screw out, and we're going to pop this little thing off, this cover here, and then I believe that's it. There's a pin here. We're going to push in and get the pin out to get the handle out, and then this whole thing with a few pulls. I have some snap clips in here. We'll be able to pull this panel right off. So let's get to it. Alright, so what you want to do is grab a screwdriver. You're going to pop this little door out. Hopefully you guys can see this. Looks like it's been pried open a couple of times before. Alright, we got a little Phillips head there. Put your screws and everything on the floor when you're working so you don't lose them. Screwdriver kit's not bad. It's a Husky, inexpensive, but it's got the magnetic tips. See that? All right, so put that stuff aside, and then inside here you're going to see a little clip. I don't know if you could see it, but you want to pop this little plastic clip off to the back. Use the screwdriver because I can't reach it. Just pop it off the bar here, like that. And then this rod, you could lift right out. Okay, then you put this aside. Next thing we're gonna do is inside this little handle compartment. Got another Phillips head. You're gonna grab your Phillips head. Take this off real quick. You don't want to lose it, especially in a gravel driveway. Put everything on the floor. So we got that. We got this, these two. Now in here on this handle, any of these window cranks, there is a little pin. It's like a cotter pin or whatever. It goes around the actual handle. If you turn it upside down, it comes right out. See, you got the piece of trim, you got the crank, and then you got it where it sits in that groove. I don't know if you can see the groove. Okay, so put all that aside. Next thing you want to do is you got to pop this out here. Do this by hand. Get that out of the way. And the reason you have to get that out of the way is you got to lift this panel up a little bit off the ledge so you can take it off. Right, there's one more here. We got to take these off. Take this handle off. And we got a couple of Phillips heads here. Got one inside here. Hopefully you can see that. All right, now that we got all the screws out, this panel will come out. It will come out. And you're just going to lift up. There you go, it's off. So let's put this aside. All right, now what you want to do to get this off is you're going to need some sockets. We got a couple of nuts here, or bolts to loosen, and you're going to turn this left or right and get this crank out. And if you look here, we have two holes. You want to try to line this window up. We're going to use the crank to get it up so we can remove the bolts that hold on to the existing broken regulator. You got 2 bolts up here and 2 at the bottom. So let's take all the bolts off, let's loosen these, and I'll show you how this mechanism comes out. I believe these are 10 millimeter. Do I have 10? Yeah, let's try it. I'm gonna loosen these. Don't take these all the way out, just loosen them. The reason you don't have to take them all out is you can see here, if I turn it, when we're finished, it'll come out. Alright, so let's grab that crank that we took off. We're going to put it on temporarily. We're going to crank it up so we can get to those bolts. And if you look here, in these 2 holes, we're going to line up where you can see the bolt, the nuts inside. You're going to need an extension to reach. And they're the same, they're 10 millimeters. Be careful because this window is going to fall when you get the last one out, so hold your window up, take your bolt out, and now we can just stand up and pull this window out. It clamps, the bottom clamps onto the new regulator. So we're going to take the 4 bolts off that hold the old regulator on. And believe it or not, the manual cranks, they cost more to buy than the power with the motors. This was about $120, the cheapest one I could find. The ones with motors were about 50 bucks. So you go figure. All right, so you're going to turn this. You're going to pop that out. You're going to reach in and grab this thing. All right, our problem, I'm going to show you the old and the new. You see here, the part that the window bolts onto and goes up and down, you can see the plastic, and I even tried to bend the plastic and get it in. It kept sliding and breaking off the track as it came up and down. So as you crank this, it goes up and down, but it would fall off this rod. All right, so the new one, you can see it's on here nice and tight. It's not broken on this side like the other, and it'll rise up and down with no problems. We're going to come in here. You're going to feed the wire, crank through first. Through this hole, you're going to reach in for that crank. You're going to put the crank in. And then you're going to turn the crank and tighten the... Alright, now what we're going to do is line up these holes. Get our bolts ready. Line up this one first. And let's go down to the bottom. The reason you want to keep this loose so you can move and manipulate where it fits. Alright, give these a final tightening, not too tight, but snug them up. Look inside these holes. They're pretty much lined up, so we're going to get our window. And the window has the threads in it for the bolts. You're going to put it back into the framing here. Go nice and easy, don't break it. Put the nose down first. Make sure you're in your track just to get it straight. You don't want to strip these. And we're going to come over here. We got to line this one up. That's it. And what we're going to do is put everything back to the way it was. All right, well, that's how you install a manual window crank. So let me get the panel back on and I'll show you the finished product. All right, everything's put back together. Wipe down your door panel a little bit. And obviously, one thing I wanted to say is check and make sure it operates properly before you put all this back on. Sometimes you put it on and the side tracks have to be tweaked a little bit, because when it broke you cranked it too hard and you could bend the little tracks they sit in. All right, and then you just got your crank up and down, nice and easy, and that's it. That's how you change a manual window regulator in a 2005 Civic. All right, what do we got to do now? Cause if you watch my videos, by the way, if this helped you out in any way, hit the subscribe button. I get a lot of views. You know, it'd be nice if people subscribed. All right, subscribe, share, and if this helped you at all, again, like the video. All right, we'll catch you on the next one. Sonny! Sonny? Sonny, where are you, kid?
Yo, Sonny, where are you? Sonny? You up there? Sonny? Sonny?